Hello guys, uh, good afternoon. Today is not weekend, so I'm in a rush right now. Just want to share with you how I fixed my air conditioner. So basically my air conditioner was not working. I called several mechanics and then they came here and they kind of ran away because they found that my air conditioner installed in a very squeezy or in a very narrow place that they cannot remove the unit and fix the unit. So basically what was the problem? The problem was the fan was not moving, and basically the compressor was not working. As a result, there was no cooling inside, so that was the problem. And when I turned on the air conditioner, I found a little noise, something like that. There was a little noise coming from the air conditioning unit, and that's it. So at this point I called several mechanics and I watched different YouTube videos, and I found that this could be the capacitor of this unit. So when I called a mechanic, they told me that they will charge around $200, but if it is accessible, but my air conditioner according to them is not accessible, so they kind of went away. They don't wanted to spend some time. So what I did, I just pulled this unit little bit further and opened it, and then found the capacitor. We got our new capacitor. It has 3 points basically. Number 1 is the C for ground, the C, and another one is harm, and another one is fan. So C, harm, and fan. So before opening the old one, you must have to identify which point goes where, so that it will help you to understand and to guide you when you put the new one for the wiring, So just take a picture before opening the old one, and then follow that picture to connect this one is back with the wiring connection. So you can see here all my wires are open now. I have yellow and brown and a purple connection. So one of them is fan, another one is harm, and another one is C. Okay, so just you need to put them back. This place is so squeezed, I can't basically hold the camera and go for this installation, but I will try to show you as much as I can. So if you see here, I connected at this point red and the yellow together in the C. Basically I guess this is a little bit different in this model. Usually it should be one connection, but I think they just kind of make it breeze here to connect to both. But basically both of them are considered as ground here, so they are both are connected into C. And one of them here, this one is harm and this one is fan. So now I will connect the harm and fan. So guys, at this point I connected the harm with the harm and fan with the fan. So that's it. This is my total 3 connection. This is number 1, red and yellow goes together, and this is the fan and this is the harm. So basically it's written over here if you just try to see, and that's it. Now I need to adjust this. First of all, I will try to run it now. Let's see it works or not. This place is so squeezed, so it's very difficult to work here. So this is the new capacitor that I just installed. I'll try it now. So guys, before starting any installation, you just need to remember that you have to take out all the power connection from air conditioning unit. So this is controlled by a power box. All the air conditioners has this box. You have to open that box and take out the fuse connection. So this is the usual box that is connected with the air conditioner. So you will find it everywhere. This is the box, and as I did work today, so basically before I open this is the thing. You need to just pull it over from here. It needs to be in the right direction. So make sure it goes all the way inside, and that will complete the circuit connection. We'll leave it like that, and we'll go inside and turn on the air conditioner now. So guys, you can see here it's working perfectly, no problem, and the sound is totally different now. The compressor is working, and the fan also moving very fast. The fan is also moving very fast, so perfect work. Everything is done. Basically, if you call a mechanic to fix this, they will charge you a minimum $200. I spent only $33 and I got 3 capacitors. It's a pack of 3. I got 3 of those in the pack, so it will be a great deal for me. So it's working perfectly now. So this is the Doosan air conditioner, working great. I opened it and found this capacitor. This capacitor was very rusty, and just by looking at it, there is no number, nothing. Everything has been gone by the rust. So I just searched online and then ordered a similar item, a similar thing from the Amazon, and I got pack of 3. So after that, I installed in this air conditioner and it's working perfect. I ordered 3 of those and it cost only $33, and I have spare 2 for future, so it's good to have 2 in the reserve. So that's it for now. This is how so easily you can fix your air conditioner. You don't need to rely on any mechanic or anybody. You can do it yourself. Just make sure you turned off all your electronic connections, and also make sure when you open this, before opening this, you have to discharge it. Discharge means just isolate your hand and using a screwdriver just connect these 2 together. Then you will hear a big spark. That because the main function of this is to hold electricity inside this. So it's a capacitor, it holds the electricity inside it. So sometimes there are some charge left inside. So when you connect these 2 panels together, any 2 together, basically you connect all together with a screwdriver. So then you will found a big spark, and the charge will be gone. Then you can just unscrew this unit and remove it and replace it with a new one. Before opening it, just make sure you see the colors of the cable and just install the new one according to the old one and put back the cables. That's it. And basically sometimes when the new one comes, do the discharging procedure for the new ones as well. You never know if somebody had put that one in a unit and then they may return it, so there could be some charge left inside. So it's better to discharge it first, then put it back. I'm not a tech guy, like I'm a regular person, so if I can do it, you also can do it. That's it for today. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel. So far, that's all for now. Have fun and have a great day. Bye bye.